Bro, now I understand why this part is a UNESCO World Site.
Innovative, I would say.
Innovation. I think he was lazy enough to get out of his bed and he wanted to. Yeah, Dashi, they wanna pee. Right, there is a castle, but before that, that's one good ass. Corgi is known for their good ass. I'm not kidding. Just look at that.
अब ये सब माइग्रेट करेंगे भाई।
लाइफ ऐसी है, दुनिया आगे बढ़ती है. Hey everyone, good morning. Guten Tag from Germany, from Bremen. It's 9 o'clock in the morning over here and सारी की सारी cars में snow and बर्फ जम चुकी है. अगर मैं आपको दिखाऊं तो ये देखो. So टेम्परेचर ड्रॉप हुई है बहुत तेज़ी से. हर जगह बर्फ़, बहुत ज़्यादा बर्फ़ है इनफैक्ट. एंड आज सीन ऐसा है कि हम जा रहे हैं ब्रेमेन की एक नज़दीक सिटी में. इट्स कॉल्ड लुबेक. देयर आर लाइक 5, 6, 7 ऑफ अस. विल बी एक्सप्लोरिंग द सिटी ऑफ लुबेक सो दैट पीपल हु आर गोना बी कमिंग डाउन टू ब्रेमेन, आपको पता रहे कि एग्जैक्टली आसपास में कौन सी घूमने की जगह है. ठंड बहुत ही ज़्यादा है बट फॉर सम रीज़न धूप है. एंड धूप होती है तो थोड़ी सी पॉजिटिविटी तो आती है ही. दूसरी चीज़, एक चीज़ और ध्यान रखना, क्योंकि अभी मैं कल जब वापस आ रहा था मैंने ये चीज़ फेस करी. व्हेन यू आर वॉकिंग यू नीड टू बी रियली माइंडफुल अबाउट द ब्लैक आइस, क्योंकि अभी जैसे टेम्परेचर ड्रॉप होती है तो यू विल सी कि जो भी पानी है ना रास्ते में वो बिल्कुल ऐसे फ्रीज़ हो जाती है. एंड देन अगर गलती से आपका पैर, अगर आप साइकिल चला रहे हो, अगर गलती से वो पड़ गई तो आप गिर जाओगे. सो प्लीज़ इंश्योर करना कि टेक केयर कर लेना नेक्स्ट टाइम जब भी आओगे यहाँ पे. मेरे को पता है बहुत सारे कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं कि एकोमोडेशन में वीडियो बनानी है, लैंग्वेज में वीडियो बनानी है, ब्लॉग अकाउंट के रिलेटेड वीडियो बनानी है. तो आई एम एक्चुअली पार्किंग ऑल दीज क्वेश्चंस विद मी एंड मैं इन सब पे बिल्कुल बनाने वाला हूँ वीडियो. मोइन. सो आई विल बी मेकिंग अनदर वीडियो ऑफ माई 30 days एक्सपीरियंस इन जर्मनी. जो मैंने गलतियाँ करी जिससे आप सीख सकते हो, जो अच्छी चीज़ें करी. तो ये है, विंटर डिप्रेशन इज़ अ थिंग. इट्स अ थिंग. यू विल फील सैड, यू विल फील, आई डोंट नो, जो भी सारी आपकी लाइफ की गलतियाँ हैं या फिर जो भी सारे रिग्रेट्स हैं, आपके क्लोज वंस, आपके लव्ड वंस, आपको सारी की सारी चीज़ें अभी याद आती है और अजीब सी फीलिंग आती है. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप शायद सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो लाइफ में, आप अच्छा नहीं कर रहे हो, आप कंपेयर करते हो, तो अगर ये सारी चीज़ें हैं तो चीयर्स गाइस. मैं भी सेम हूँ. लाइफ ऐसी है, दुनिया आगे बढ़ती है बट ऐसा नहीं कि हम दुनिया से पीछे हैं. हम अपनी पेस में आगे बढ़ रहे हैं और हम बहुत अच्छा करेंगे. आई प्रॉमिस इट टू यू. जो भी वीडियो देख रहे हो, कुछ लोग इंडिया में होंगे जिसको जर्मनी आना है, कुछ लोग जर्मनी में होंगे जो पार्ट टाइम ढूंढ रहे होंगे, बहुत सारी चीज़ें कर रहे होंगे. आई प्रॉमिस ब्रो, देयर इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल वर्ल्ड आउटसाइड एंड वी विल डेफिनेटली फुलफिल इट वन डे. फॉर नाउ लेट्स टेक यू टू लुबेक. चीयर्स. मेरे सामने देख रहे हो, दैट इज़ द वाइट आइज दैट आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट. दिस इज़ वाइट आइज बट अभी आपको रास्ते में मैं दिखाता हूँ अगर ब्लैक आइज देखे. बट ये देखो कितनी खूबसूरत सी माहौल हो गई है. सारे पत्ते गिर चुके हैं. एक चीज़ अच्छी यहाँ पे ये लग रही है कि बर्फ़ है, ठंड भी है बट धूप है. एंड जब इस टाइप की कॉम्बिनेशन होती है तो ज़्यादा बुरा तो नहीं लगता है. लेकिन अगर ग्लूमी होती इस टाइम पे तो फिर सिचुएशन बहुत अलग सी हो जाती है. सारे पत्तों में आपको दिख रहा है वाइट सारी चीज़ें. इट्स ऑल स्नो. आई डोंट नो स्नो और आइस. यहाँ की पानी भी बंद हो चुकी है फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. तो बस हमारी यहाँ पे बस आ गई है. वो रही हमारी स्ट्रासनबाहन. इट्स गोना बी कमिंग. क्या ट्रेन कैंसिल हो गई? बाय गाइस, तो अभी ट्रेन कैंसिल हो गई है. ओके सो अब ट्रेन कब है? 10:33. सो 10:33 है. चलो थैंक गॉड, क्योंकि मेहरब से भी हमारी बात हुई. मेहरब अभी सो के उठा है, उसको 20 मिनट लगेंगे. तो आई होप ही मेक्स इट एंड वी ऑल गो टुगेदर. ट्रेन इज़ हियर फॉर होस्टिंग. ओके सो आज ट्रेन भी खाली है. सैटरडे, बर्फ, सभी लोग आराम से निकलेंगे. बस नहीं जाती आउट बन ऑफ. मैं तेरे को बोला था, मैंने इसे बोला था, इसने मेरे को खुद कंफ्यूज कर दिया कि नहीं जाती है. We are over here at the Hauptbahnhof again and इस बार हम स्ट्रासनबाहन या फिर नॉर्मल बस से नहीं, We have come over here via Snell bus. तो स्नेल बस में ये होता है कि whenever you enter the स्नेल बस you'll have to show your ticket. एंड वो टिकट आप कैसे दिखाओगे? आपको यूनिवर्सिटी का एप्लीकेशन है, आपकी जो डॉइचलैंड टिकट है, यू कैन जस्ट पुल इट ऑफ एंड शो इट टू द ड्राइवर एंड यू वुड बी अलाउड टू एंटर. तो पहले हमें लगा था कि स्नेल बस में एज ए स्टूडेंट यू कैन नॉट सिट, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, यू कैन यूजिंग द डॉइचलैंड टिकट. सो न्यू इन्फॉर्मेशन. एंड अभी आई थिंक यहाँ पे शाम एक और कुछ लोग आ चुके होंगे, बाकी सारे दोस्त भी आने वाले. ये रहे हमारी 100 रुपए की बेट लगी थी कि तू आज नई जैकेट पहन के आएगा. Say hi Shamik, good morning.
Hello, hi, good morning, guten Morgen.
So joining us, that's Anjali from Philippines and that's Vaughn. We just have 11 minutes. Hello guys. And that my friend is Imti Nuksung.
What? No. Mera will not be able to make it on time.
That's okay. I mean there's another bus too.
10:30.
Shamik. What do you have to say about that? Vaughn.
That's quite innovative, I would say.
Innovation. I think he was lazy enough to get out of his bed and he wanted to have some fun, so he wanted to.
Maybe he has some.
No, he.
Look, our group leader.
Yeah, our group leader is here. Her name is. Hi, Akshita.
Hi.
No, Mehrab is coming.
It's okay, it's okay. She's very early actually.
Yeah, I thought you were always on time and you used to scold me every single day.
No, I saw the train was delayed, so I.
She is here. Bro, just run. So guys, हाल ऐसा है that we have missed our train with by just 1 minute. No, that's fine. By just 1 minute.
I overslept.
That's good. So now we have another train at 10:58. So we're gonna be going at 10:58 to Hamburg, and then we have like 8 minutes to be able to actually change it. Here our homies getting some food for themselves, stocking themselves up. Bhatam Gadam Balaji.
Where did you guys go?
This boy Shamik, he missed our presentation. What do you have to tell him? Yeah. Tell him.
He missed Kanchi Sansa.
So धूप आ गई है बहुत बढ़िया सी, और हम यहाँ से ट्रेन लेने वाले हैं in 10:55, 10:58, and we are gonna go to Hamburg. वहाँ से we have to change for Lübeck. That's Lübeck, and that right there is another train that's just arriving, approaching. Beautiful. So we are already here. We have got the seat, and I think he hurt his hand. That's the sun. That's the gun. That's the
Fun.
That's the fun. Oh, I like that. Hello, Filipino. How do you say hello in your country?
Kamustas?
¿Cómo Do you speak Spanish?
Oh, Spanish?
Spanish?
Kamusta. Just
Tamashta. We have a Naga.
I'm from Naga.
You're from India, bro.
Nagaland, India.
No, you're from That's
Nagaland, India.
that's good. I like it.
Namaste, guys.
Oh yeah. How do you? By the way, I got some silkworms, guys, in case if you wanna eat.
That's my favorite food, yeah.
But it was like really expensive, but I still got it for you.
But it's expensive, yes.
Shamik, give the silkworms.
What?
Give the silkworms. Come on.
Bro is confused.
Silkworms? No.
Huh?
They eat worms.
Oh.
You did not know? Oh, new information. Oh, you want to be on the video? Hey guys, where you from? Hello.
It was next level.
What was next level?
The presentation.
You liked it?
Yeah, very much. It was crazy. And the concept मतलब पहली बार मतलब ऐसा कुछ देख रहा हूँ मैं.
Wow, Shame. Shritri.
दूर मत जाओ.
मैं कहाँ गया? मैं मतलब अभी now it's clear.
इतना danger लोग तो नहीं है हम.
Oh, so you guys extract silk out from the silkworm and then you eat the silkworm.
Actually, it has a lot of nutrition.
It has a lot of nutrition. Do you want to taste it? Like right now? Why not, Dashi?
How dare you?
What should I taste? What was that?
Silkworm.
There's no fun. There's no fun.
There's no fun in?
Like, I mean, before you die, you have to try all sorts of.
Do you want to eat?
So hi guys, we are on our way to Lübeck right now, and these are the people here. We have Mehrab, we have Ashish, we have Imti there.
I hear you.
Look at the view.
This guy was sneaking down and then Gustavo was here. Mama. Oh, yeah.
I don't know. He said that.
दूसरी रेड है, ठीक है, और अभी शामी के अंदर गया वो. जैसे ही वो बाहर आएगा, ये देखो बंद हो गई. यस.
Yeah, that's the food.
And you know, Blinkit was inspired by Flink.
That's too close, dude.
The bimbo. So we are here at Hamburg now. Hamburg looks sunny. It looks good. The last time when we came, it looked gloomy. This time, I think it's gonna be
No, I was
beautiful.
waiting for you to put
Aussteigen, denken Sie an die Hand und rein.
to that of you.
On his Apple Watch. Here at Hamburg. That is Hamburg right here for you guys. We'll have to go to D. So we are वहाँ पे जा रहे हैं and it was fun क्योंकि friends है साथ में. शामिक. By the way guys, जो भी मेरा वीडियो देख रहे हो, शामिक ने अपना एक नया पेज शुरू किया है. It's called Villager in Germany. He is shooting some B-rolls and good videos, so please follow him. I'll link it on my description. Yeah.
Thank you.
Might just miss this to run. Shritri, come on, be the marathon runner. Come on. Upstairs, guys, upstairs. I'm still sleeping.
Wake up. I want to pee.
Do that, madam. Why don't do that? Do that. Come on, do that. Fuck you.
How excited are you? On a scale of 1 to 10?
5.
Sus.
What's sus?
No. You know how they look like? He was doing this.
No, that's so cute, so adorable. Akshita, do that with Imti.
Will kill me.
Oh. Too small. Oh. Yeah, Dashi, they wanna pee.
No, mine's like, oh, I'm
Shitri, Shamik wants to pee.
She's like, oh, shower.
That is from the presentation.
Just like Windows XP wallpaper.
With the tree.
Wow.
Yeah, then I will choose mine.
Everything.
So from a place where you could some will get this.
The country is so beautiful. So guys, we are over here at Lübeck. How do you feel? I feel cold. I feel cold. You feel cold? I don't think it's that cold. It's not that cold. This is how Lübeck looks like. Let me show it to you. The real thing. This is how it's gonna look. There is the city of Lübeck. Are you guys excited? That's right, there is Lübeck city Hauptbahnhof. As soon as we enter, this is what we are greeted with. Dashi, so many cycles. Do you want to cycle with me?
Yeah.
So there's something that you should know. Me and Dashi, we both are cyclists, and after seeing so many cycles, we are getting some intrusive thoughts. What do you want to do, Dashi? Let's find Reve. Yes, Reve already penny anything will work.
Adhika. Over here.
Oh, let's go. No, come first to eat something. Probably the cup noodles because I like that. Everybody likes that. Let's see. Hi guys, so finally we are over here at the Lübeck city. It's one of the Hanseatic city in Germany, and इसके साथ 5 और अलग cities which I will be talking about after some time. Right now we are walking towards Holstein Tor, yeah, to see and witness the beautiful church. So let's go guys, this way. So just to give you an understanding about Holstein Tor and Lübeck, to be specific, Lübeck has 7 churches which touches the skyline. And a little thing about Lübeck, so the entire city has 7 churches, and in the medieval world when there were like so many ports and ships and everything, so these 7 churches were used to act as a landmark over here for the people to navigate. So out of which right now we are going to be going to the Holstein Tor place. I think it has something to do with, I don't know. Oh my god, just look at them. We need to take right. Let's go. Okay guys, so I'll just give you an understanding of what exactly Holstentor is all about. So earlier in the city, Holstentor is like the city gate, and it used to protect the city of Lübeck. So it has like the old city and the new city over here. So the place that we are walking right now, it's called Holstentor, and that is the old city's gate. Once we go, you'll see 2 towers which protects the gate like crazy. And I think one of the best part is that today a little sunny out here, because of which हमारी सारी की सारी plans अच्छे से successful हो गई है. And you know, I mean, I always have this habit of comparing to the place that or the city that I live at. For example, Bremen. I like Bremen, but then last week as well, when I went to Braunschweig, I loved that place. And today this place too, this looks so good. I mean, I don't know, it's just beautiful. Maybe because of the sun, I don't know. You probably want to have this look. Right there is the Hanseatic city of Lübeck that I was talking about. Guys, that right there is the Holstentor, the old city gate. The Holstentor or the old city's gate, and this is beautiful. Wow, sehr gut, beautiful. Indeed, this looks like a dream, man. Okay, one more thing I forgot to tell about. So Lübeck is a part of the Hanseatic city. Hanseatic cities, I mean, just to give you an understanding, Hanseatic is just like the gang of the cities who ruled Germany and the northern part of the Europe. So Lübeck is one of the most strongest players among all. It has Hamburg, it has Riga, Lübeck is one. I think there are a couple of more, but this is like the leader, you can say. And just look at Imti, my boy, and just look at this place. Okay, yeah. 1, 2, 3. No, I have not missed it, bro. Now we are walking past this old city's gate. Yeah, that's the registration. So you see 1, 1, 2. There's no dry.
It's a museum.
Dashi! You can't. Click that. Hi guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to take the souvenir out of this. So you have to pay 2 euros. Imti, come over here. You have 2 euros?
No, I don't have.
Who is but who you are wanting to get this, right?
No, but I don't have 2 euros. I only have 5
You have 2 euros. You have coins. So in case if you want to get this, all you have to do is, if you have 2 euros, you just have to put it over here, insert it, and click on whatsoever you want, right?
2 euros, you get a 0 euro note.
Rolex over here too. Rolex. Where's Dashi? Dashi, can you buy me a Rolex? Which one?
In music, people.
That's fine.
I'm alone as a solo.
Yeah.
If you guys like this channel, please like, subscribe, and what? Share.